Today I'm going to show you how to install fonts on Adobe Photoshop on Windows step by step. If you've downloaded a cool font from the internet and it's not showing up in Photoshop yet, don't worry. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to download it, install it on your computer, and make it appear inside Photoshop so you can start using it in your designs right away. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop guides. Now let's get started. First step is downloading the font you want to use. Most fonts you find online will come as either a TTF file or an OTF file, and both of these formats work perfectly with Photoshop. Websites like Google Fonts, Dafont, or other font libraries allow you to download fonts for free or for commercial use depending on the license. After downloading the font, it will often arrive as a zip file. If that happens, simply click the zip file and choose Extract All. Windows will create a normal folder containing the actual font files inside. Open that folder and you should see the TTF or OTF font file ready to install. Now installing the font is very easy. Right-click the font file and select Install from the menu. You can also double-click the font file to open the preview window and then click the Install button at the top. Windows will add the font to your system, and once it is installed, any program including Photoshop will be able to use it. Once the font is installed, close Adobe Photoshop if it is currently open and then launch it again. Restarting the software allows Photoshop to refresh its font list and detect the new font you just installed. After Photoshop opens, select the Type tool by pressing the letter T on your keyboard. Then go to the font drop-down at the top and search for the font name you installed. Select it and start typing to use it in your design. And that's it. That's how you install fonts in Photoshop on Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Photoshop tutorials.